Hey, summer's coming! So in this video I'm showing you 6 things you absolutely need to 3D print for summer. And every single one solves our actual real-life problem. First up, a fruit fly trap. I swear, living in a humid subtropical area sometimes feels like playing a survival game. Forget to take trash out. Fruit flies. Water your plants, even more fruit flies. So I printed this little trap that uses sweat liquid to lure them in. Aha, you did not see the horrible strain on this print. The rules is simple. If it works, it works. First, leak test.
2 hours later.
Nice, no leaks at all. I mixed up some homemade sweet baits, filled the trap and left it alone for 48 hours.
2,000 years later.
When I came back to check the results, well, I caught 2 fruit flies. Exactly 2. And somewhere along the way, the trap had started leaking too. Turns out the designer actually recommends sealing the inside if you want it to be completely waterproof. That side, I still think this design has potential. So let's call this version 1. Next up, solving summer food problems. When it's hot outside, you know you're gonna destroy a bunch of popsicles. But sometimes they melt faster than you can eat them. Ew, sticky hands instantly. That's where this ice cream handle comes in to save your fingers. Wait, wrong time lapse. No, but I don't care how old you are, this thing is useful. Now tell me, who can survive summer without ice cold cola? But holding an icy can the whole time freezes your hand, and your hand almost drink up way too fast. That's why you need a can holder. There are tons of designs online, but obviously I had to pick the Deadpool one. Printing time! Okay, this one does need a little assembly, but nothing too crazy. Done! Oh god, this thing looks insanely cool. I feel like I could drink 3 more cans of cola per day with it. The fit is perfect, everything lines up nicely, and it even has a leaf, which also stops fruit flies from stealing your drink when you don't finish it. A soap holder? No. Besides holding soap, this thing solves a huge summer problem and saves me a tons of paper towels. Yeah, I'm using it as a coaster. Most coasters are just flights, so they do absolutely nothing. Once condensation starts dripping everywhere from cold drinks, my desk is constantly wet in summer. But using a soap holder as a coaster actually fixes the problem perfectly. Sometimes I genuinely think I'm a genius for coming up with this stuff. And finally, temperature. Have you noticed how ridiculously hot this summer already feels? Yeah, you need this. A fan. But more importantly, a watermelon fan. It somehow looks refreshing and delicious at the same time. Again, this one needs a bit of assembly too. And yeah, it works basically the same as the ones you buy in stores. If cooling yourself down sounds like too much work, avoiding the sun is the next best strategy. Check out this one-piece printed sun hat. Since it's made from PTG, it handles heat much better, so you can actually wear it outside without worrying too much. And I bet most people wouldn't even realize it's 3D printed. To complete the look, I also printed these sunglasses. Thanks to the perforated design, they block at least half the sunlight. Probably. Alright, that's everything for this video. What's the temperature like where you live right now? And which one of these prints would you actually use? Let me know in the comments.